So talented, so wonderful. I mean, he made it so easy. He's got a great other half. So that honestly, I think it gives us freedom to play, and we had a lot of fun. That was an emotional roller coaster. You know, Trinity went through a lot in the film, um, but it was um, but it was still a lot of fun. That was the thing with she and Lee Curtis, with her and Lee Curtis. They where they worked great. Oh, they're so lovely, so talented, so smart, so connected in the way they work together. And just, they were delightful. I loved their entire process and extremely clear and yet collaborative. You know, like I think the industry is lucky to have them. I love being connected to God. I love going to church. Um, there are places where I think the church can evolve in some of their ideologies, how they teach and preach, and that I have never agreed with. Not because I disagree, but because it doesn't feel right in my spirit when I think of God's compassion and love. And so I think that portion of the film is what really spoke to me as well.